Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to hide or show columns and rows in Excel using the group feature. First, I'll select some rows. Go to the Data tab and click on Group. You will see a minus sign appear next to the grouped rows. If you click the minus, the rows will be hidden and a plus sign will appear. Clicking the plus will unhide the rows again. Notice the small numbers on top, 1, 2. These are called the outline levels, which you can use to collapse or expand multiple groups at once. Now let's group more rows to see this in action. We can do the same with columns. Select a few columns, click Group in the Data tab, and another group will be created for columns. In the Group dropdown, there is an Auto Outline option. This automatically groups data if your worksheet has a structured data set, but since my sheet is empty, it won't work here. To ungroup, just select the rows or columns and click Ungroup. To remove all groups from the worksheet, click Clear Outline in the same menu. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos.